Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today is just a short unboxing, something that's come in from Everyman's Pocket EDC. Before we get into it, I want to thank all the channel members. I appreciate you all more than you know. And I'll ask you guys, if this is your first time here, or you haven't had a chance yet, if you'll please hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon, it would really help me out. Unboxing knife today is going to be a little slip joint Tucson TS90. Probably going to be easiest just to get into it from the side. I thought it was. All right. So guys, what we have here is an EMP EDC, and as y'all might have known or been aware of, they have recently dropped the Ronins. And I had seen a Ronin over in Atlanta at Blade Show and had a little time with the Ronin. And then one of my good buddies got a little troll candy in here. EMP EDC, Ronin, blade steel Elmax, date of birth May 23rd, first run. Little CEO there, certificate of authenticity. And then we've got a couple little swag stickers in here. But what we really want to see is the knife. So guys, when this knife was first out for pre-order, it was something that interested me, but I did not know how well refined this knife was going to be until I actually got to Atlanta, got it in my hand, got to check it out. Titanium with an Elmax Tanto blade, very thin, very nimble knife, made, if I'm not mistaken, by Bestech. I love the clip. I love the body. I love the thinness of the knife. It is very, very sharp. I love that Tanto with the swedge along the top. Let me see if I can find something for us to cut. That's the front edge. And that's the hollow grind. Whoops. So it is very sharp, very nimble. When I say nimble, I'm talking about the overall thinness of the knife. To me, it's almost like a gentleman's carry EMP. What I mean by that is if we were to look at it next to the relative is a much taller knife in my opinion. But guys, this is exciting. I am so stoked I got in on this. As y'all know, I'm not a big front flipper guy, but at Blade Show, when I was examining this knife, the front flipper is so intuitive. You've got jimping that runs a really good part of this blade. It's great in the hand. It is great on the open. It is great on the close. Perfectly centered. I'm just stoked, guys. So that is the EMP EDC Ronin. I might have called it the Nimble. If I did, that was just a Freudian slip. But it's the Ronin. They are, if I'm not mistaken, available now with a couple of configurations. I will put a link to EMP EDC site with this unboxing. And if you guys are logged on to the channel and are set up for announcements, you'll be notified that this is getting ready to go out. And again, it's just an unboxing. I will be bringing you guys a full review as soon as I've had some time to carry it, give you my full thoughts. Guys, I appreciate it. Every time you stop by the channel and watch my videos, I really appreciate it if you look out for the guy or gal to your left, look out for the guy or gal to your right, look out for each other, go forward with love in your heart, choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.